I'm Lauren here for the MLS Denim / Miss Lacey Studios YouTube channel, and I'm coming to you today because, and this is Weber, I know you want to make an appearance. Okay, sweetie, all right. I'm coming to you today because I wanted to do something with this old black shirt that I have. This one I did get from Old Navy, but I wanted to put like some words or something on it. And I'm going to go ahead and do that now. You probably hear Weber drinking from his bowl right now. Really? Anyways, so what I'm going to do is, because I want it to fit, because I'm also going to be distressing some jean shorts as well. I got some from the thrift store. So that's going to be in my next video. I'm going to put it all together for an outfit. But I want to make sure that you can see the words and so that they're visible, because the shirt is so long, as you can tell. I want to make sure that it's, you know, up here. So what I'm doing is, of course, I got my trusty chalk, and for me, just to make sure that I stay within the boundaries, I'm going to kind of mark off where the safe area is, as I will call it. So I'm going to put right here, and down here, here, and here. So everything that I am going to write is going to have to fit in here. So I might have to make some adjustments probably, but this is what I'm going to be using. And of course, throughout the video, I'm going to tell you, of course, the materials and stuff that I'll be using. I will definitely put those on the screen. Just in case you want to do this for yourself at home. It's just a really cool way to kind of make over, you know, like a shirt that you have that you don't really want to, you know, give away because it's a good fit. And like for me, this one is really stretchy. It's really, really nice. But I just want to kind of do something a little different with it. So this idea kind of came to me. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. Hope you enjoy it. Weber, you're in the way, sweetie. Okay. Okay, so as you can see, I have my shirt here with my safe area in here. And so, of course, I have my trusty illustration board because I do not want the paint. And in fact, I'm going to be using the same paint from the last DIY video that I did, but it's going to be the Jacquard Textile. It's going to be the white, and it is for natural or synthetic fabrics. So this is what I'm going to be painting with. Of course, kind of figure out what brushes you're going to use. I have a lot. These are just a couple of the ones that I have. But I'm trying to see kind of which one, as far as the thickness, do I want to use. So I'm going to kind of experiment and just kind of see how it goes for me. But if you want to experiment, like I said in the other video, if you can get a swatch to kind of see how the paint is going to do with your material, I definitely would say try that out. This paint worked really, really well the last time with the sweatshirt jersey cotton material that I used. And so this material, I believe, is the same. So I don't think it's going to bleed. But if you want to err on the side of caution, I would definitely say see if you can find a little swatch piece that you can use. So I'm going to use this illustration board, and I'm going to slide it in here just to make sure, because I just don't want it to bleed. I'm going to kind of push it back. And what I am going to do, if you have some rubber bands, just so that your material is not sliding all over the place, I would definitely say pin it down or wrap it, you know, down or whatever, if you want to, however you want to say it. Perfect. Okay. Use that. And just make sure there are no bumps or anything on your shirt. So, all right, yay. Woo-hoo. Yay, it didn't pop. Perfect. Okay. I'm gonna try to see if it will lay flat. Will it lay flat? Let's see here. That is probably why it will not lay flat. Hey everyone, after experimenting with the rubber bands, it did not really work out for me, so I would suggest using some bag clips. I am going to talk about that later on in the video, but I wanted to go ahead and let you know so that when that part comes up, you will already be prepared and you can just skip over that part and just move on to the next part. Alright, thanks. And I'm going to try this again. Perfect. Okay, great. Everything. Okay. Yay. It's buckling a little bit. There we go. Okay. And so what I am going to do now is I'm going to write "Can Talk Now, I Have a Brand to Build." So, because the other chalk that I used was really fat, I am going to use this thinner chalk. Because for me, because I am an artist, I like to sketch things out first before I begin, because I don't really like making mistakes and I don't like wasting materials. So I'm going to kind of sketch it out and draft it to see. I might need to see if this will work. There we go. Okay. Also, if you do have chalk, if you get brand new chalk and it's like that, you can always kind of chip the sides, because then it makes it easier for you to actually sketch with it. Let's see if that will work. Let's see. Okay, so as you can see, the chalk just kind of slightly just kind of shows me exactly where I'm going to want to paint, so that, you know, everything is kind of laid out. I wanted to make build a little bit bigger, so I did go outside of my safe area. That is okay. If you want to do that, that is more than, you know, okay. It's up to you. So now what I'm going to do is I am going to start painting. And if you can, I don't know if I have any, you know, those sandwich clips. If you can actually use those, I think those actually will probably be a better bet than these rubber bands, because as you can tell, the material is still kind of sliding. So I'm going to see if I can find some. And then I will go ahead and start with the video and the painting. All right. Hey everyone, thank you for watching the video. Remember, I will be putting the whole outfit together in my next video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, or subscribe to the channel. See you next time.